The envelope budget is a budget based on categories, where you take your allocations for the categories during the month and put the amount of money into different envelopes. The amount of money is in cash, so when your cash runs out, then you are not able to spend any more money during the month in that category. For some, using a credit card might be easy, as you never really feel how much money you actually spent. You just swipe the card and the payment goes through. When you actually have to find the cash and count how much cash it is, it will be much easier to feel how much you actually spent on it and how much you have left in your envelope. As when you're using a credit card, then for some it is hard to feel how much they have left. This makes it easier for them to do an overdraft and actually end up owing more money than what was allocated, which will send them into a vicious cycle of bad debt with high interest rates. The tough part about envelope budgeting is that you will also have to make cash envelopes for your variable costs like groceries, utility bills and transportation. As you might not know how much you're gonna spend next month, then it might be a good idea to make an estimate on the positive side, where you might end up with more money left than the other way around. So if you find out that some of the critical envelopes are empty before the end of the month, then you might consider making adjustment to them for the next month, which might need you to make spending cuts elsewhere. This method might be great for someone who has a problem with spending too much money each month and who easily gets tempted to just run the credit card. By using this budget method, it will set a hard limit for how much you can spend each month and will help you to stay within your limits. Pros of the budget is that you will reduce overspending, as you will think more about what you really want to use your money on before the envelope is empty. As you start to spend less money, you will start to see that some of the envelopes have money left at the end of the month, which will empower you to keep following your budget and reach your goals. Cons of a budget is that it is tough to estimate how much you need to use each month, especially on the variable costs. When you will stand with a lot of your cash in your hand for each envelope, then it might also feel tempting to spend a lot of it right away and not think about the rest of the month. As the world gets more and more digitized, then cash might also not be accepted as a payment option in all of the places anymore. Therefore, it might not be possible to keep using cash. At this point, you might need to make your envelopes digitally in your bank instead. My name is Daniel and I'm here to help people with personal finance. So if you're interested in more topics like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you will be notified when we release a new video, which might help you on your journey.